The heart of every good home is the kitchen, and in this special segment we're focusing in on what makes it tick. We head to Adelaide into renowned chef Adam Swanson's own home for some tips on kitchen design, some food stories, and of course a mouth-watering recipe to get you inspired.
Hi, I'm Adam Swanson and I'm about to show you the ultimate little bar snack. Quick, tasty, and it's got a bit of fiery sauce with it. It's bocconcini that are crumbs, fried with a nice pepper sauce with it. So we need to get onto our sauce. Got a pan on, medium heat, good splash of olive oil. I have some white anchovies, about 4 or 5 there, into the pan. Chili, good pinch of chili. Oregano, 2 pinches. And likewise with some dried basil. So there's a basis to our sauce. We've got some cherry tomatoes that I've just cut in half into the pan. Some capsicums that I've placed in the oven, roasted them, then peeled them. About a cup's worth in there. Now, just give that a toss together, like so. Splash more olive oil. Now we need to allow that to cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. So once those tomatoes start to collapse down, it'll make the basis to our wonderful sauce. Baby bocconcini. Look at these little bambinis. Look at them. They're gorgeous. Tiny little things. About to get even better because we're going to crumb them. So I have a crumbing station right here. Flour, egg, which all I've added is a bit of milk, say 1/4 cup, pinch of salt, pinch of pepper, and gave it a quick whisk. Some fresh breadcrumbs. They need to go into the flour first. Just keeping an eye on our sauce. Don't forget about our sauce. Came up with this recipe one Saturday afternoon. I was sitting around home watching the footy and I felt like saying, wanted a quick snack. And I looked in the fridge, I had some little baby bocconcini. So I'm gonna crumb them and fry them, and it's a cracker. It's an absolute beauty. And all my mates love this one. So from the flour into the egg wash. Now you wanna make sure that the egg wash coats all the bocconcini because this is gonna obviously help when we drop them into the breadcrumbs. Strain them off. Just place them evenly over the plate. Okay, so just give them a little shake. It is a little bit of a messy job, but it's worth it. Sauce is looking great. Tomatoes are starting to collapse. Really, really good. Exactly what I want. Now, take your bocconcini, put them into your fridge. Sit on top up there. Now, you might ask, why do I have 2 fridges? Well, there's a purpose to these 2 fridges. You just saw that fridge there, which has all my small goods, my cheese in, and then I have my second fridge with all my fruit and veg. That way, there's no cross-contamination, no smells, no flavours can come in. You know, if you've got garlic sitting down the bottom and you've got it in the cheese fridge, your beautiful mozzarella is going to start stinking like garlic. You don't want that. And I'm a chef. I like to have so many things in my fridge. I collect so many ingredients. You never know when I might need some wasabi or some pepperoni or some anchovies. Give that a little flick. Let's have a look at our tomatoes. Collapsed. Nice. From the pan into a jug. In with our stab mix, and we're going to blend it till it's nice and smooth. Oh, I can really smell the chili in there, the anchovies. Pinch of salt is always needed. How easy is that? Hot, fiery pepper sauce, just like that, in minutes, done. Grab our bocconcini out of the fridge. And the best way to do this is grab yourself a slotted spoon like this, place them on there, because if I drop them all in at once, they're gonna go crazy. And the oil's gonna go everywhere. So just lower them in there, and out you go. Really, really quick, because they're gonna cook in about 30 to 45 seconds. And you can hear it now, popping away. So we're just looking until they're nice and golden brown. There we go. All right, there we have it. In and out. A little salt onto them. Now time to serve. There we go, just stack them in there. Be gentle with them. There you have it, there's my little fried and crumb bocconcini with a fiery hot capsicum sauce. So for other great recipes, head to the Open Homes Australia website and check us out on Facebook and Instagram.